Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log in Sweat Wallet with secret phrase. And if you want to do this, so this can't be happen on your first use, because only if you log in into your Sweat Wallet. As you can see here, I've created my account and I've logged in into this. And when I just go and click on my profile icon here, I get this option of create a secret phrase here. I can just go and click on it and click on create a new phrase. Now it will just create a new phrase of around 12 words, right? And I can show you this, right? And here you have to copy this up and you have to save it somewhere, and you have to go and click on I saved it. Now here you have to verify this word, but just by entering the exactly which word is the fourth word here, and you have to fill it up, and it will ask you all the 12 words one by one. And once it gets verified, you will have a secret phrase. Now what will happen if you don't know, when I log out with my account? So if I just go here in the bottom and just go and click on logout, so here I can click on I understand logout. Now I can just go and click on login here, and automatically I will get into this email login process. But if I just press back here, I can paste all my 12 secret phrase here which I just made, and I can get into this, right? And this is how you can just log in with the secret phrase. So I can just add my secret phrase right now, and once you enter your secret phrase here, you will be able to log in into this. So this is how you can, and let me show you, and my wallet is open up. So this is how you can use it.